Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can grab unlimited leads from Apollo like this. Before I'm going to show that little bit about me, I'm Ram Kumar, CEO of Elevation X. We help B2B businesses to book high qualified sales call using AI agents like we already helped Ringlabs AI, Sereno IT to book qualified calls without spending single dollars on ads. Apollo, what is Apollo? Apollo is the multi-use case platform. We can do prospecting, multi-channel outreach, AI assistant, meeting scheduler, and CRM enrichment also using Apollo. But now we are mainly focusing on building lead lists for our ICP to targeting the prospect. First of all, we want to create a free account. So I already have account. I just log in into my account. After you log in into this account, your dashboard is look like this. If you click a home, you have three segmentation like prospecting and enrich, engage, and win deals. So prospecting and enrich, we want to build a lead list based on that. In engage, we can send sequences, emails, and calls to the prospects. In the win deals, we can schedule these meetings as a CRM like in Apollo also. So, but we are now mainly focusing on this prospecting only. There are two types of searches in Apollo. One is people search and one is company search. Company search we use for find our perfect ICP of the companies. So after we finding the companies, we will find the decision makers of the company using the people search. So first we want to target the companies based on this company search. We click the companies. So now you can see the Apollo have more than 30 million company database in the data sources. So we will target this companies based on our ICP. First, we can see the list. So if you have any lead list, you can upload the lead segmentation data and you will find the company's details. So, and we can find the companies based on this company segmentation. You can find the top 10 companies like Google, Amazon in this filter, or otherwise include and exclude lead list. If you click this, you can enter any URL on this tab. For example, if I enter my company website details and I click save and search, you can see my company name, how many employees I have, and the industry and the keywords and the location. So you can get a data from anywhere and you can paste it in it and you will find the companies based on this. But now we want to mainly focusing on scrap these leads only from Apollo. So we close this company filters. So get into, first of all we want to segment the data based on the account location. For example, if the company is in US but the peoples are located in different types of the world like US, UK, Canada, like that. So we want to find this so we want to target the prospects based on their company location. So we want to click the account location. For this example, we only target United States. So you can also select the zip code based on the radius, and we want to target the employee count of small and medium businesses. So 11 to 20, 21 to 50, 51 to 100. So this is the important thing. We want to target the industries based on this industry tab. For this case, I want to target marketing advertising, and we can type this keywords include and exclude keywords. So and you have the AI filters also. In the next video I will show how you can use these AI filters, all these things. So now we have 15,000 companies we want to target. So I will include some keywords and exclude some keywords in this thing. I want to target content marketing, SEO. So in this exclude keyword, I don't want to target B2B marketing agencies because I am a B2B marketing agency. They are my competitors. So now you can see the specific criteria we will target. There is only 2,400 companies in US we want to specifically target. So in this thing, so now we find the companies, what are the companies we want to target. So now we want to find the decision makers of these companies. So you can go to the people search directly. You don't want to change anything. So after you go to this people tab, you can see there are 40,000 people working in their businesses, but we don't want to target all of these people because there are business development specialists in there, founder and president, staff writer. So we don't want to target the staff writers, SEO, account manager, researcher like that. We only want to target decision makers of these companies. So we go to the email status. You can see the email status. So there are four segmentation in Apollo. We can use this verify. So the emails are already verified, but we want to re-verify this email definitely. And we can find the unverified and update required. So you don't want to click this unavailable because Apollo don't have the email of this person. Then we want to target these people based on the job title. At management level or the department level, we will find this job title. For this example, I use this job title data, search job title. Oh, where is it? Where is it? CEO, founder, co-founder. So for this example, we've only target this three segmentation: CEO, founder, and co-founder. So we have 1,300 people in this 2,400 companies. So we also exclude this. What are the job titles we don't want to target? Like we don't want to target SDR, BDR, researcher like that. So after this, now we have what are the peoples we want to target. So build our lead list. Or now So now we have built our own lead list of our ICP. In this lead list, we have our emails and what are the specific job titles we want to target, and what are the job titles we want to exclude, and what are the companies we want to target, and which specific location we want to mainly focusing on, and what are the size of market we want to target. You target small and mid-based businesses or growth-based startup like that, and we will target this business based on the industry and the keywords. So these are the things we want to mainly focusing on these things. So after you enter all these filters, you have this data sources. Now you copy this link. After you copying this link, you will search leads.co. So we use searchlead.co for scrap their 1.5k lead list we built. So you will create your free account using this login. I already have an account in search.leadsco. You just paste the Apollo URL in this tab. So after you paste this Apollo URL, we want to enter how many numbers of leads we want. So on the lead list, we have 1.5k I think. So we want to scrap 2000 lead list. We want to set the name marketing marketing in US. So, and if you will click this submit, you will get a link to your mail. So you will download the lead list based on that, and you want to pay. I think it's 1,000 leads or one lead $3. It's more and more cheap than what you think. It's it's very cheap to scrap this lead list, and searchleads.co give you some 10 to 20 percentage of their mobile numbers also. So now you scrap this lead list. So after you get this data, you will see the results like this. So you can see the live result file and upload this lead list whenever you want. So in this video, we learn what is Apollo and how you find these companies based on the company search, and how you find the companies decision makers using the people search, and how you scrap this lead list using this searchlead.co. So now you know what are the ICPs we want to focusing on, and how you scrap this ICP. In the next video, I will show you how you can target the prospects using email, LinkedIn, and calls.